Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
Start by locating the drop-down field on the page or form. Click the field label or box to reveal the drop-down options list. Ensure your cursor is inside the field before typing or selecting an option. If the drop-down supports typing, begin typing the first few letters to filter matching items. Use Keyboard tab to focus the field, then press space or enter to open the menu. On touch devices, tap the box once to expand the choices and reveal scrollable options. After opening the menu, scan the visible list to locate your desired entry. Scroll the options list to find the exact choice you need when many items appear. If typing is enabled, type the first letters to filter and jump directly to matching entries. You can also use arrow down and arrow up to navigate sequentially. Press Enter to confirm the highlighted option. On mobile, tap a single entry to select and automatically close the drop-down. Once you pick an option, verify the selected item appears in the field display. If the selection is incorrect, reopen the drop-down to change the choice or correct input as needed. For typed fields, use backspace to edit typed input before finalizing a typed selection. Some drop-downs support multi-select with Control or Command held while clicking multiple options. Finally, move focus away by pressing Tab or clicking elsewhere.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.